Well, ever since I was really little, I knew I liked building things. Like my favorite toys growing up were always the Legos or the Lincoln Logs, anything that I could put together and really see what I ended up with afterwards. I kind of followed that throughout, my school. I really liked the math and science classes, and then when I was in middle school, I joined our robotics team, and I really loved that, being in a team atmosphere and building things. And then I just kind of kept with that, and here I am today. It's a really cliche answer, and everyone will give it, but Drexel's co-op program really sets it apart from everyone else. Just the ability to get a full 18 months of job experience before you graduate is really valuable for getting a job after graduation. But past that, I was able to learn how to go on interviews, learn how to apply to jobs, and also just learn what I like and, more importantly, what I don't like in a job. That made it so much easier for, now that I'm a senior, getting jobs post-grad. They also have a really great honors program and architectural engineering, which a lot of schools don't have. It's just under the civil umbrella, so that really interested me specifically. My favorite class I've taken on campus actually was a series of classes, Architecture and Society, 1, 2, and 3, and I also took 4 just because I loved the professor so much. Professor Mark Brack, he teaches so differently from all of the engineering classes that I've been in, so that was really refreshing. Plus you could just tell that he was really passionate and knowledgeable about the topic, which really sets classes apart when you can get that feeling from your professor so clearly. But also it was just so engaging. I'm not a big history person, so actually being interested in historical content was new for me. Well, I really enjoy being in spaces where I can kind of form a community and a family, especially if those are places where the people I'm with aren't necessarily exactly the people in my classes. So the first several years I was here, I was active with the Society of Women Engineers, which was such a cool group. Just seeing underrepresented people in STEM is always a blast. But right now I'm actually the president of the STEM sorority on campus, which is really where I found that sense of community and family and support that I was really looking for. So really, all of the clubs I've seen on campus are so great. It's just, those are the ones that I meshed with. I would say the advice that I would give a student who is applying to any colleges, not just Drexel, is to really pay attention to where you feel that you would be most comfortable. So it's not necessarily which is the best school on your list, which is ranked the highest, but it's really where you feel that you would be able to thrive. So that may be at Drexel, it may not, but that's where you're going to be staying for the next several years of your life, so make sure you can have a good experience there.